What are you making? Are you making some good food? Thank you. Thank you, Embry. Can you go cook some more things in your kitchen? Good job. Yeah? Are you going to put that in the oven? Oh, in the microwave? That's a good idea. Can you get some more food out of your drawer? You're silly.